Hello everyone, how are you? So I guess I was wrong. Last month I thought was my last CatLadyBox month, but I prepaid for like 3 months or something like that, and I thought the last shipment was in October. I think it was the last payment, and that was for the November box apparently because it showed up, and I double checked and this is the last one online. Oh, my cat was sitting right next to me and she just jumped away. So I will be opening this today. It is actually my last one. I do enjoy this box. I am just trying to save a little bit of money. It's totally worth it. I just have accumulated a lot of cat products. If you've been to my house, you've seen I've got a lot of cat stuff. So this is $39.99, the version I get stuff for both me and my cats. There is a cheaper version available for about like $5 less where you don't get the cat toys. So let's get unboxing. So when I open it, this is what I see. There's always an information card included that includes some cat art, usually from an Etsy shop. Let's see. So the featured cat lady artist is Pesto Dreams of Sushi by Amy Payne, and she's from Detroit, and she's known for the highly professional business cats portrait series and calendars. You can find her on Instagram and Etsy. So if you want to pause it, you can look there. Super cute. And so on the back it has all the items and their value and a little bit of information on them. It looks like they included some little coupons. It says save $5 off your first box. I will put that below then. That's cool. I wonder if they know I canceled. So the first box, the code is CATLIFE to get $5 off. I will put that below in the description box. They gave me 2 of these, so I must want us to hand them out. So this box is seriously awesome. You get a lot of stuff. It's always more than the value. What is this? Cat Lady or Cat Spoon Rest. And I forgot to mention that the Cat Lady Box donates a portion of all proceeds to cat rescue organizations. So, what is this? Spoons and stuff? That would be cool. Let me read. It says, keep your counters clean with this exclusive cat spoon rest designed for this box and made for dishwasher safe ceramic, or made from. It's the perfect place to rest your cat kitchen utensils after stirring a sauce or sauteing something delicious. Retail value $9.99. So I think we get some utensils in here too. Hi Archer. Probably smell the can. This is cute. Okay, I'm glad I got this again. I'm gonna miss this. Okay, oh honey, he just grabbed the toy. It was like a little French toast toy. Oh. Okay, but this is that. I think this is super cute. We'll go in my kitchen. I already have a I already have cat sponges from this box out there. Okay, all the cats are in here now. Hey babies. Oh my god, this is awesome. Look at these are cat utensils. There's a whole set of them. You guys, I'm so glad I got this box. How cute. Oh my god. So they all have like a little thing, a cat on the end. And so it's just like a spatula, there's a spoon, like all, what are those, they call those like scoopy things? I can't think of it right now. There's 5 pieces. Oh my god, this is so cool. This is a good month. Stuff I like really use. So this is $19.99. It is exclusive by CatLadyBox. It says cook up the perfect meals with this exclusive set of silicone cat kitchen utensils. We designed these just for this box set of 5 utensils that are both super useful and super adorable. They'll make cooking extra fun and also look great on display. Dishwasher safe. And ladle, I think is the word I was just trying to come up with. Okay, so the cats took one of the toys. So there's usually 2 toys. Archer, can I have that? No, it looks like it's a little French toast or something. Let me see if that's what it is. Or a bread slice. It's a bread slice catnip toy, $4.99. Archer stole it. And then there's this cute little chef hat toy, which I'll throw over to the other cat that's sitting over there. Emmy's just watching him play with it. Emmy, do you want a toy too? So, yeah, and they're both $4.99. This is super cute. The piece of bread's pretty big compared to this one. It has a smiley face on it. Can I steal that from you? I'm not gonna get up, but this is the one here, Emmy. Okay, so both the cats are in here. I have toys. There's one other thing. is this? Is this like a tablecloth or something? A dish towel set. So it's like a kitchen thing. I love it. I'm so glad this is my last box. I am gonna miss this box. Like, maybe I'll get it again when I have more money. Hopefully one day I do. Super cute. Okay, so there's two different. Let me get this tissue out of the way. So this is one of them. And then there is this. Isn't this so cute? Like, it's like so practical, like cat themed stuff for cat ladies like me and you if you want it. Let's see. So this is the Mod Cats dish towel set, exclusive by CatLadyBox, retail value of $9.99. Clean up and kitchen catastrophes with these mid-century inspired tea towels, or just use them to dry your hands and dishes. Exclusive to CatLadyBox and designed to match our signature Mod Cat stemless wine glasses available in our shop. Yeah, I had those and I broke them. I broke one, I think. I had another one. It's in Chicago. They're cute though. They do match. But I'm really happy with this box. I'm gonna miss it. The cats are loving their toys. I wish I could show you. My camera's on a tripod, so it wouldn't really be easy. They're super cute. Maybe I'll record them with my phone and add it on the end of this video. Okay, I'll do that. So I had to cut the tags off their toys too, but I'll wait a minute because they're loving it. But anyways, I will leave that little $5 off code below. I think it was CatLife, but that will be in the description box along with their link. So I'm gonna miss this box. I officially have a lot of cat stuff. My kitchen is cat themed. I have a whole cat themed room here. Like, kind of ridiculous, but if you're like me and you love cat stuff, you would love this box. I will link below some other CatLadyBox videos if you want to decide whether or not to get it. But anyways, thank you for watching, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye. Do you guys like your new toys?